Hello children, today we will learn articles. See children, there are three articles. First one is your a, second one is your an, and the third one is your the. Now we will learn their uses. The first article a, it is used before the word which has been started with the consonant letter, and their sound should also be consonant. Suppose, for example, pen, pen, pen. It has been started with the letter P. It is consonant and its sound is also like consonant sound. Then here we will use A. But for example, the word union, union, union. U is a vowel, not consonant. But its sound is ya. Its sound is consonant sound. Then here we will use A also, because it doesn't matter that it is started with vowel, but its sound should be consonant. Now we will come to the second one, an. An will be used before the word which has been started with the vowel sound. Okay, suppose the word is given egg, E-double-G, egg. It has been started with the vowel sound. E is your vowel and its sound is also vowel sound. So here we will use an. Then an egg. Okay. Now MLA. Okay. Its full form is Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA. Here the word it has been started with the letter M and it is consonant. Then you must tell that, mom, we will use here A, but no children. Here we will use an because its sound is vowel sound. MLA, A, it has been started with the A sound. MLA, MLA. So here we will use an. Okay. Now the third one is your the. Okay. The article the will be used before such word which is unique in this world, which is special, which is particular, and it also used before the superlative degree also. Okay, suppose if I am talking about river, Ganga, then here we will use the Ganga. Okay, the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, now suppose there is a sentence, she is the tallest girl. She is the tallest girl in the class. Then here the superlative degree has been used, tallest. Then here you will use the. Okay, she is the tallest girl in the class. Okay, I hope you must have understood it. See, some examples are given in this page. For example, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the sun, etc. Now we will come to the exercises. Complete the following sentences using a, an, or the. Here we have to use a, an, or the. First one is your I would like to eat blank egg. Egg. I have just now have told that egg is what? Vowel sound. So here you will use an. And blank banana. Banana. Here is consonant sound. Then we will use here a. Fine. Now come to the second one. Blank moon is hidden behind blank clouds. Here moon. Is moon unique in this world or not? Yes, it is unique. So here we will use the. Okay. And then clouds. Clouds are also unique. So here you will use the. The moon is hidden behind the clouds. So like this we will complete these questions. Now come to the question number B. Punctuate the following sentences using capital letters, full stops, question marks, commas, exclamation marks, apostrophe, etc. wherever necessary. See children, in these questions, what you have to do? You have to put where capital letters are required, full stops are required, question marks, commas, etc. These are requirement. If there will be requirement, then you have to use all these. Okay. See the first one. Why aren't you eating the vegetables on your plate? See children, as you know, the first word of the sentence should be capital. You must have studied in the chapter, the sentence. So here the word why, it has been started with the letter W, then here W should be capital. Okay, and at the end of the sentence there is no full stop, no question mark, nothing is there. So at the end of the question, at the end of this question you have to put question mark, because here the word why has been used. Why aren't you eating the vegetables on your plate? Now one more thing is there, aren't. Children, not, what is this? Not. But in short, if you used to write, suppose are not, then we can write in short aren't. AREN के ऊपर apostrophe दोगे आप, okay, then T, that will be your short form of are not, and it will be pronunciated as aren't. Okay, then come to the second one. My parents got me a train set, a pencil box, a school bag, and a toy car for my birthday. See children, here again the sentence has not been started with the capital letter. There is no comma, there is no punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. So here what you will do, M, you have to make M capital, okay, and then come to the come here. My parents got me a train set, a pencil box. These are different items, so here you will use comma. After a train set, after a set you will put comma, then after box you will put comma, then at the end of the sentence you have to put full stop. Okay, fine. Like this you will complete these sentences also. Now come to the fourth one. Congratulations, you have won the competition. See children, again you will start this word congratulations with the capital letter. Here C will be capital, and then after the word congratulations you will put exclamation mark, because this is here you will put exclamation mark, okay, and then at the end of the sentence you will put full stop. Like this in question number 7 also. Wow, that's great news. Then wow, wow is what? This is your interjection. Wow will be started with capital letter, and then after wow you will put exclamation mark, fine, and then that's, here that's means what? That is, it is written in short, that's, okay. Then here again you will put apostrophe, THAT apostrophe S, it will become that's great news, full stop. Then at the end of the sentence you will put full stop. Now I hope you must have understood it. Now do it.